Hey guys, we're fishing at Lake Murray, South Carolina today. We're gonna try something out of the ordinary. Last week the fish were kind of scattered. There's been a lot of rain this week. We didn't even get bait this morning. We're coming out here, we're gonna pull some umbrella rigs. These are Captain Max umbrella rigs. They got 9 jigs on them. And these are actually the 3 ounce. The middle one is a 1 ounce chipmunk jig, and the other 8 are 3/4 ounce. What we'll do, we'll put these things out, and you'll see in the video, between 70 and 90 feet, depending on the depth. If we're marking fish between 20 and 30 feet, we're gonna put them between 70 and 90 feet behind the boat.
What depths are you running at that?
Well, we're running about 2.5 to 3 mile an hour. If you can keep it in that range and that depth, you're gonna catch fish if there's fish there. So we're gonna use this as a search tool today. So y'all come along, go fishing with us, and please like and subscribe our videos, share it if you like them, and we'll see y'all on the water. Oh, there you go. Got him? Where you hook? I ain't caught one in a while. I might have been me tripping. I can tell the way he's nodding, he's a decent fish. Yeah.
Yeah, it's right here.
Walk back this way with him, Jose. Let him get on the other side of it.
I don't pull him.
There we go.
That's him.
There he is. He's on there. Take the reel yours up. Fish are down there deep, man.
All the way?
Yeah, just go ahead and reel it up. He just tired already, man. Gotta hit swim all the way from the fucking...
Yeah, that's really good.
Right there. Hell yeah. We'll take that. Another good. Little pig. All right, get him back down. Whatever. He'll see it.
If they hungry at all,
There he is. That's a good one. Here. Yeah, that's a big one. You want to reel that one in or what?
We're about to see him. He ain't come up yet, has he? Like the one we've been catching.
That's a damn pretty good pig.
Good
There.
one though.
We'll take it. It's a good one. Jose will catch all the big ones. That's a good one. Hold him up here, Jose.
Take it.
All day.
Put him in the box.
Skin fish. Them ain't them little peckerheads. Them ain't nothing solid.
There he is. He's on there. I can't believe that one ain't got hit. Yeah, he is.
There he is.
You might have 2 on there now. Right there! Fish! Fish! Hey, y'all gotta switch. Y'all gotta switch. Which side? Where's the camera? the net. Grab the weight.
Yeah. Not yet. Yeah.
Got it! We take what we can get. Herbie's got one. Ooh, dude.
Get him, Laney.
Dude, this is a good one. Knock it out of gear for me. Dude, this is a good one. I'm telling you. Ready?
It's out of gear. Get him, Laney.
Dude, I ain't moved this fish. Oh, yeah.
You want me to back up?
No.
Is he pulling you or you pulling him?
Both.
Is it a marlin?
He's a marlin. Look.
Is it the spawn of the kraken?
It's the spawn of a truck. I ain't supposed to catch any. I'm the captain.
You're gonna get fired, Laney.
He said it was a good one. It's coming to us. Ooh. I see color. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
I see him.
Yeah, that's
Smell. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I'll take it. I'll put him in the boat, boys. I'll put him in there. I ripped the hell out of his lip.
Relit pistons on the Angler Quest.
Ah, I've got it.
You got me.
Here.
You said it was a good one. God! Jose!
That's good. They get fucking twink.
Yours shouldn't sit there long.
Oh, he's pulling drag.
Get by that propeller if he's going that way. We'll take it.
He was fighting off the wall.
Oh, you're getting shallow. Getting shallow. How big for you?
Oh, 80.
I
85.
remember I moved it.
That is
Another one.
And another one bites the dust.
8, I think. 90 should
Oh,
be.
there he is, right there.
Yeah. Oh, he got a little meat.
Bring it to me. Hurry up.
You doubled up.
Damn right. Is it on the cord, Laney?
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
We don't need no net. We need some gab hooks or something. These ain't gonna get no net.
Who's ready
Whoa,
first?
whoa.
Hey, well, y'all got to cross.
Yeah, I'm going over the top. I'm in.
You in?
Get that damn net.
You ain't waiting on me, cuz. Both of y'all are in. Two keepers. Here, swing him around here, Jamie. That's the kind of chaos I like. You gonna put that fish in the skin box or what?
Good way to beat you up.
It's a good thing you got it in for it, bro. Need this. Hey, baby. Look.
25, 30. Yeah, 25 to 30.
He on, oh, is he on it? Yeah. Let's see if he can hook up. I'll drop it. I'll drop it a little bit.
You do with the scrapper, it's the only damn business. You've been hanging out with wild man there.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll take him all day long.
Yeah, hold him up. Hold it up.
They ought to be able to see him. If you're
I
around,
don't think so.
he's on there, dude. That's a good one.
Oh, yeah. Got some color there. Right to see.
Take him.